One sunny morning in summer, Nusha, our youngest daughter, was born. She was welcomed with lots of joy and love. When she was 4 months old, we noticed that something is not right with her. So we took her to the doctors, but no one could tell us anything about her illness. We decided to come to Canada from Bangladesh to get some answers to her illness. We were not sure if it was the right thing to do, but the moment we met the doctors and nurses at the Children's Hospital, Ottawa, we knew that we had made the right decision to come to this country. They were very welcoming people, and they told us Nusha has a disease called spinal muscular atrophy. This disease causes weakness in muscle. It can only get worse and worse. With their support, we felt strong to face all the challenges to come. Nusha loved to go to school. She liked to read a lot. One time, we took her to Disneyland, where she met all her favorite Disney characters. And she was so excited and happy to see her favorite princess, Cinderella and Tinkerbell. Nusha used to go to Roger's house, her second home. The staffs of Roger's house told me once, Nusha runs the house. On the 5th anniversary of Roger's house, she was selected as one of the spokesperson for Roger's house and was interviewed by the Ottawa Sun. Nusha enjoyed every beat of her life. She touched every soul she met and had an impact on them. After her death, every year in June, her birth month, her teachers at Connaught Public School do a fundraising event in her memory called Nusha's Dance-a-thon and raise funds for Roger's house.